How to replace a GE dryer door switch. You're gonna need a screwdriver with a Phillips head bit. The back of the dryer and unplug it. Now the front of the dryer, and it says 4 screws that we have to take out. There's one there, and one there, and there's 2 inside here and here. Lift up. Gotta take that screw out. Now the face of the dryer is going to come out a little bit, so just be aware of that. And so this is the switch that we have to unplug. I just pinch down on it and pull it out. Just push it out. And that's the piece we're replacing. So we got the new one here. Now we're just gonna put it back together. You can buy this part online on Amazon. It's like 11 or 12 bucks. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, so we gotta really put this in. You have to put it in from the outside and back in. You won't go inside out. It has to go outside in. So also, there might be like this little cover here that's like kind of around it. I just took this off because it's just kind of in the way and unnecessary. But if you might have this covering it when you first take it off. Now, when you put it back in, you kind of gotta like lift the drum a little bit so that it rests on the top of this outer frame. So that's what it spins on. Plug the dryer in. All good. Like and subscribe.